I don't cop things for resale, don't do iCloud, don't do email. Feds wanna top up, man, and wild, man, like Chubbs with detail. Back when Ricky was doing up Teasdale.
Hey y'all, we back with another maintenance vlog. I washed my hair, washed my face, so that's all out the way. It was 12:51 a.m. so it's really Friday, the day of my appointment. So my appointment's at 9 in the morning. It's almost 1 o'clock. But I bought these masks from Target the other day and I really want to show y'all this. So I'm going to just do it now so my face can be glowing tomorrow when my hair is done. My hair appointment's at 9 a.m. and then I have a lash appointment at 12. So that's the only two things I'm doing today. And then Saturday I have my nail appointment at 4 o'clock. So that's the maintenance rundown, and I'll probably get my toes done sometime early on Saturday. But yeah, y'all, I got these cute masks from Target. I have a lip mask, a caffeine eye mask, and then I have this vitamin C sheet mask for my face. So I'm gonna do that. I bought this really cute headband from Ross today too, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started because y'all, I really need to go to bed. Like, I probably should have did this like tomorrow or something, but I just want my face to be like in tip-top shape tomorrow when I get everything done. So we just gonna do it tonight, okay? My lips feel so dry, but I have a lip mask, so we'll figure that out. So the vitamin C sheet mask, what does it say do? Cleanse your face. I did that already. Tear the sachet, open the powder, and pour it into the open mask. Okay. It's just like wet. I don't know. Massage powder until it dissolves. This is fancy. I ain't never seen nothing like this before. Okay, so I guess I tear it right here. Ooh. Okay. I'm making a mess, y'all. Let me put this in there. Like, I'm supposed to put the powder in here, so I'm just gonna dust the powder off like that. I'm making a mess. I didn't know it was gonna open like that. Like, I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't that. Pouring the powder in. Hold on, let me do it so y'all can see. Okay. So they say just massage it in there until the powder dissolves. So we're just gonna massage, and then say apply it for 10 to 15 minutes. Honestly, y'all, with all this stuff, I'm going to apply it for the minimal amount of time because I really need to go to bed. So we're going to do 10 minutes for this. Eye mask say 20 to 30 minutes. We're going to do 20 minutes for that. And I'm going to do the eye mask and the lip mask at the same time. And it say do 10 to 15 minutes for the lip mask. So we're going to do these two at the same time and do this one by itself right now. I got to get up early, y'all. And I want to go to Starbucks. We're going to Starbucks. I'm going to make time for Starbucks because I want to go. Y'all, I really want to try bottom lashes, but I'm scared and I'm not trying it tomorrow. So I don't know, maybe for my birthday I'll give it a try, but then I don't want to try it for my birthday. I don't like it. So I don't know. I'll probably try it sometime in between there. Maybe my next set after this one, because I didn't book for bottoms. I don't want to hold her up. Okay, y'all, I think it's dissolved. Okay. Ooh, let's move this hair out the way. Got my little mirror, so we're straight. Oh, there we go. Get out of the air bubble. Oh, y'all, I have a jade roller. Let me go grab that. My face feels so stiff. Let me go get my jade roller right quick. I got this. If you watch my weekly vlog around, I know I'm talking crazy right now, but I can't really talk, but it's okay. If y'all watch my weekly vlog around Christmas time, I had got this jade roller from Burlington. It is so cute, and I've never used it. Like, where we in March now? I got it around Christmas and never used it, so we about to use it. Let's see. Oh, wow. And then, y'all, so let me tell y'all about these last couple weeks and why my vlogs haven't been coming out for real. So I have had a total of 3 exams within these last 2 weeks. So I was like, y'all, after these exams are over with, I am doing me a maintenance because I have been so freaking stressed out with these exams. Like, 3 back to back. I had 1 last week and I had 2 this week. I just took my last exam this past Wednesday. It was a lab exam, so I feel really confident about it. So I think I did good, because usually how you feel about a test is how you did. About 6 minutes left on the timer. So yeah, we're just gonna let this sit and then I'll come back when the timer done. Okay, the timer just went off, so let's take it off. my face is like a donut or something. It says to rub the rest of it in, so I'm gonna use my jade roller. I forgot to tell you, I got this lip mask too. That's not from Target, that's actually from Walmart, because I couldn't find a lip mask that I wanted in Target, so I ended up going to Walmart and finding one, surprisingly. So next I'm putting this caffeine eye mask. It said it energizes and brightens. Hopefully it don't actually give me energy. I think it's just talking about it energizing my eyes, because y'all, I have been so tired from studying and these tests. I have been stressing so bad. So we're gonna put these on first since they take the longest. Then we're gonna scrub my lips and then put a lip mask on. That's gonna be it for tonight, and I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. Here's what they look like. Okay, this feels good. Everything I'm doing right now just feels great. What does it say? Gently exfoliate dry rough lips. Okay, you ain't gotta do all that. They're not dry and rough for real, but okay. Wipe off or lick off remaining sugar. I'm not licking this. I'm sorry. Okay. That's done. I think my lips look a little different. It says it's a metallic lip print, so let's see what it look like. Hold on. Okay. I should have did a before and after picture, because I don't even know if this stuff is working for real. Everything is all done. I think my skin looks really good right now. Like, it's 1:36. I'm finna take my butt to bed. I'll see y'all in the morning after I get my Starbucks. Good morning, y'all. I got my vanilla sweet cream cold brew, and then I got a croissant. We about to go right now. I don't have time right now to stop for any cash, so I'm just gonna stop for the cash for my lash appointment on my way to my lash appointment, because I really need to get there. It's about 33 minutes away, but it's like 8:33 right now, so we about to go.
Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. Push a peep. Cop new hammers for my beat. We don't want no peace. Got a spotted puff back. J for peace. Drop the data, now we plant. Inside the piece.
Yeah, quick little update. So as y'all can see, I'm not at my hair appointment. I needed to move my appointment back. I'm talking quiet because my mom is in a meeting and she worked from home, so bear with me. But yeah, man. So basically she said she needed me to come at a later time. So I was able to move my lash appointment up just 30 minutes earlier. So I'm going to my lash appointment at 11:30. It's about 10 o'clock right now. I'm about to edit for a little bit. Until then, I'm gonna leave like at 11, go to the ATM. She said I can come and get my hair done right after my lash appointment. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I mean, that's kind of cool because I like to have my lashes done at my hair appointment, so everything could just be done. Okay, I'm at home right now. I had to edit for the first time on my new laptop. I'm so excited. I need to download everything I need to download on there, and then we're gonna get to work, y'all. I'm going to see y'all when I get to my lash appointment.
Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want to.
Lashes are done. It is 1:44 now, so I'm about to go ahead and head to my hair appointment. But y'all, they're so cute. Fluffy short sets to just always be my thing. Like, that is gorgeous. I need to put some mascara on, then it's gonna look like I got some bottom lashes. That'll be my little test trial. I'm about to see if she's ready for me to come. I'm gonna call her right quick. The time is now 3:44, and as y'all can see, my hair is still not done. Y'all, these Atlanta hairstylists is a different breed. I promise y'all they are a different breed. So as I told y'all yesterday, my hair appointment was at 9 a.m. today, right? And then I told y'all that she texted me and told me I needed to come a little later. I was like, okay, that's fine. So I said, okay, I'll go after my lash appointment. It was inconveniencing, but I was like, okay, things happen. I'll just do it, and that's gonna be it. So then I get on my lash appointment. I text her. I'm like, hey, can I come now? No answer. Can you get back to me as soon as possible? I don't want to leave again if you're not ready. Mind you, by this time I probably called her and she didn't answer. So I'm like, okay, we need to get down to business now. So yeah, I'm like, by this time I'm calling you, you're not answering. Mind you, it's ringing. The rings are going through. So I'm like, okay, is she asleep? Like, what's going on? So I called again. She didn't answer. So by this point, I'm getting agitated. I said, can I just please have my deposit back? I plan my day on getting my hair done at 9 a.m. We spoke yesterday, and if you said this yesterday, it would have been a little better, and I could have better changed my day around. It's going on 2:30, and you said I could come after my lash appointment. I just would like my $50 back, being that my appointment could not be fulfilled. Still no answer. So I go on Instagram, I'm checking her business page and I'm checking her personal page to see if there's any like sign of activity. You know, people be on their phone and ignoring your message. So I'm like, let me just make sure I'm not crazy and she's not ignoring my message. Maybe she's asleep, maybe she's busy, I don't know. I always try to give people the benefit of the doubt because I know aside from being a hairdresser, you have a life as well. By this time, I see on her personal page that she posted on her story 19 minutes ago. So I'm like, okay, I slide up on her story, right? And I say, can I please have my deposit back? If you didn't have time to do my hair, you could have just told me, but this is just getting to be too much. Because at this point, I'm really overwhelmed. I have been sitting in the car for about an hour now because I didn't want to move. And she wasn't ready for me yet. And mind you, I'm not finna sit in Atlanta traffic and you turn around and tell me that you can't take me. So I'm like, okay, I'm just going to sit my butt here this time. Because this morning I just left. Because I'm like, okay, I got an appointment at 9. We spoke yesterday. We should be cool. No, that wasn't the case. So I sat my butt down. I sat down, yep. Calling her Instagram, she's not answering. So now I text her number again. I'm like, this is very unprofessional and I have been so polite this entire time. Ignoring me and being on your phone and holding on to my money is crazy. You have until 3 p.m. to get my $50 back in my Cash App, or I'm just gonna have to take it to social media. I really don't want to take it there, but you're pushing me. I sent that message at 2:43. You know that you saw the rest of my messages. She texted back to my son, oh, I ran to the bank because I wasn't sure how long it's gonna take you to get your lashes done. I'm not on my phone. That's a lie because I saw you post 19 minutes ago, but you don't think that I saw it, but I did. They said, girl, you can have your $50 back. It's not that serious, and I can still do your hair if you want as well. Then she's gonna send a picture of her at the bank. I don't care that you're at the bank. You see my messages. I said posting on your story is being on your phone, and yes, please send it. I no longer want the service because at this point you didn't piss me off to the point where I don't even want you to touch my hair. Just give me my deposit back, and I will go to somebody else. She said, I'm in the bank, exclamation point. So I'm not answering my phone. I can post on my story if I want. You see I texted you back. Nobody ignoring you. What's your Cash App? I sent her my Cash App. But you're a liar because you got caught in your lie. You feel stupid. You want to get defensive because I saw your story. And you didn't think that I saw it. So you're going to lie and say, oh, I'm not on my phone. But I saw your story 19 minutes ago. And then she sent the money back. I just hate that you have to bring me to a point where I have to get unprofessional with you for you to give me my deposit back. I'm not the type of person to just blast somebody on social media. So I was like, let me not just stoop down to that level. Let me give her some time. That's what I said. Let me give her some time because I don't know what she could have been doing. She could have been asleep. She could have been busy doing something. You know, everybody else has a life. So I was like, okay. That's why I just sat there for that hour like an idiot and just gave her the benefit of the doubt. Yeah, y'all, but I was able to find somebody else to do my hair. I'm getting it done tomorrow at 12 p.m. Same style. Only thing is she don't include hair, but I'm just about to go in the beauty supply store right now and buy the hair, and I'm gonna go get my toes done, and that's gonna be today. I'm just trying to give y'all that little powwow. I feel like if I just left it alone, she would not have answered me. She would have kept my money and kept it pushing. How you know I didn't have to catch a flight after I got my hair done? My hair appointment was for 9 a.m. I booked this appointment last week, so you've seen all week that my appointment was for 9 a.m. and then today at 8:53 when it text me, ask me, can I come at a later time? Why? I'm not going to say her Instagram. I'm not going to say who it is. It's okay. I'm okay now. I have a hair appointment for tomorrow. Everything is good. My hair appointment is at 12. My nail appointment is at 4 o'clock. So going to beauty supply store right now, get this hair, and that's just gonna be it. We're gonna have a good day. So yes, y'all, let's go inside this beauty supply store.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you'd put your love on me. Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could find love for me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you knew the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happens when two fools be falling in love. Mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise you'll find love again. Love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Oh, oh.
She bout to fly me no wins, cat. She bout to take me no wins, cat. Nigga can't even see me on wins, cat. She bout to fly nigga wins, cat. She bout to fly me no way out of here. She bout to fly nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too fly in the sky. Hermes ass for the drop my ass. Bitch so pretty, look better than cancer. Clapping on zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter, they never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up. gotta make sure she good. Park a 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the sewer. Crawl hard to set speed, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, man, just gon' end the shit. Bitch breaking niggas to licking the key. Heard of the fountain, but making the Canada. Bringing this money like it's my religion. If you're a man, they're sad. If you're any of these niggas, they try to compare whatever I did. Them niggas 100 digits of the gigs. I came out the jungle, they kidnapped a kid. I trap out a bando, spin 10 on the crib. But look at the ocean, it's about 30 years. Ain't no where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no fully, no matter what I'm in. I have such an ass, she gon' think she Korean. You fucking me good, bitch, you helping me win. Niggas can't see me, ain't no gon' tish. 2 million breakthrough, no whole nother risk. I'm never sober, I'm thinking my quit. I bought the E, I can feel when it kick. She got a flight, nigga, can't even see me. I'm way out of here, I'm too far in the sky. Hermes ash for the down my ass. Bitch so pretty, look better than cancer. Laughing on Zooters that you got.
Hey y'all, so quick little update. Y'all know it's the next day. The hair is done, y'all. So this is my first time ever like getting a half up, half down, and I absolutely love it. I was a little scared at first because y'all know when it's a hairstyle I never tried before, it's like you a little skeptical because you like, yeah, it be looking cute on everybody else, but it's gonna look cute on me. And y'all, it's giving, it's eating up, down, right, left, all around town. Okay, it's hot out here, man. It's this place called Hungry AF, and I've been seeing people like post all the time. They post on TikTok, post on Instagram, and it's like a black-owned food place. So I came here, I got me some wings, some fries, and I got my mom some vegetable rice. So I'm about to go home and take that to her now. It was so good, y'all. If y'all ever need somewhere to go, y'all in Atlanta, this is where you need to come. It was so freaking good, like so good. Scrumdiddly yum yum up her. But yeah, so I'm about to go take this rice to my mom. It's 3:17 right now. Y'all know my hair appointment. I mean, not my hair appointment, my nail appointment. Last appointment of the vlog is at 4 o'clock. So I'm 15 minutes away from home now. I'll probably get there a little bit after 3:30. Give her her rice and chill for a couple minutes. Then it's gonna be time to get right back up and leave. I'll have just a little bit of time to chill at home. But yeah, I'm about to head down there now. And then I'll see y'all when I get to my nail appointment.
Leaving alone.